get the other side of that pot filled in too naturally, so I ain't worried about strawberries. He's already seeded to produce strawberries, so yeah, we're doing good as far as growing our strawberries out. So then we'll get them to thicken up, and then we'll start cutting the runners after that because we won't need them. Won't need them. Gotta go. We'll get it planted and grown, and then we'll be like, yeah, ain't no runners. We got berries. Shout out to the berry squad. Yeah, y'all see I got them pots. All I gotta do is put water and plants in them. Y'all already know we got enough plants started in the tent to fill them up if we need to, so that's the good thing there. Fill this room right back up and then empty it right back out, right? Right, by the time those get to start getting big, these autos will be out of here because they're autos that won't be taking too long. You know, quick in and out. Like, man, that 90 days went by quick. Depends on how long they actually veg out, though, before they flip. Hell, y'all, how quick these went. Yeah, they already done flip already on you. Shoe out of there. Get you the crib. Uh-oh. Hit this with some water. He said he gotta get some soil for the outdoor shit. Hell, let's see. My mom want me to bring in some tomatoes and grow them for her for right now, since the squirrels keep trying to get at them. I'm like, yeah, I could do that. That'll be your Mother's Day gift. I'll take on that project for her because she's like, well, get them in this weekend. I'm like, all right, whatever. I got you. I got you. Speaking of gotchas, I better light up this candle while I'm thinking about it. Make sure I get my therapeutic candle on up in this piece this weekend. Hell, can't be missing out on them gifts. I forgot to post that video on one of my channels, but y'all already know I got a short video coming up about this candle that I'm burning right here. Right here, this candle right here, yeah, it's fucking special. If y'all don't know why it's special, y'all can ask a player in the comments, and I might tell you. uh, Oh yeah, see, he already got a nice collection of shit going. Shout out to Piff. Y'all know he's actually a gardener. I keep telling y'all we got real people out here that we be talking with out here. So y'all already know how we do. Look at that thing back there. It's like, yeah, we just chilling on and doing our little small thing with the autos. I don't expect them to get too big. Hell, shout out to the autos though. Let's see. The money tree's doing all right. It's got some fucking shit. It's talking from the looks of it, but it'll be better. Snake plant's getting tall though, so hell, shout out to the short ones. Cause that means it's popped up a couple ones. But y'all already know. Happy Mother's Day to y'all. We'll see y'all Wednesday.